Hello guys, welcome to another video of Adama Robotics. In this video, we're going to learn about machine learning. So, what is machine learning? Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it to learn for themselves. So the idea is machine learning is basically the ability of computers to be like humans, where they would learn by themselves. We don't need to program them explicitly. Alright? If you'd like to know more about it, you can check out our course, The Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals, or you can subscribe to our channel for getting more information and tutorials. Thank you so much guys, have a great day.